eno na omoma Paul Adomotwe be start ye no yenya minister over $10 million wofia ye over $2 million cash a chire 1.2 ni ade no oma ya adwen say enu ano no. There is more. Why is the office of the special prosecutor quiet? Why is he not releasing what he want to see there? So when we be on the country, they use it to make you think so many nyansa omodwene. They don't care. Cecilia Dapaah e de akora 12, 13, 14, 15 years to the fear in the draws until akora ni we and the sika no, and Cecilia Dapaah who said no, where they also taking action. Now let's go to the substance itself. Now what they want to create, and then omoma Paul Adomotwe be start ye no. Now so we study a ni nyina no ombe so mo ti ase say sa sika $800,000 no o na ni ni ho. All these things shede eba no eye Cecilia Dapaah sem na abeto no me be chirechiri ma kire Ghana fo mo hu de ekọ se ne be ya mo masa adada fo we ni akromfo we enda adam biem. Now Cecilia Dapaah sem na ebeda on we were on vacation or we were on break, sorry. Ye nyina be different versions of Cecilia Dapaah sem no. Na so ye Ghana ni abusa ho se den na wugidi. Na answer na babusa ho say de na wugidi no, you ask yourself as a human being, what ya asem no wanka sankasa no odwene ho no asem no hu ni saying, who do you think is lying to you? And Ghana na yet no radio, majority of our journalists from they are liars, they are thieves, they are criminals, majority anyom nyina. But dodo ni yewifo, dodo no just want something to eat, so they will do every nonsense to please some people. Inti sa asem ne bedawa, instead of them treating the issues the way they are supposed to treat it, se emfa John Mahama ho, se emfa Ibrahim Mahama ho, se emfa NDC ho, Asiedu Nketia ho, eye atoforce ho a the way na asem no se be omuntumi treating sa. And some media in Ghana, they are only waiting for NDC asem se beba. Ni anti kroma. And I yekote se Oslawusu eti Joy News e ka kire Ghana for say eye Vicky Hammer Ebiena no kekeka say she is dreaming of getting $1 million before she stops politics. Asla Owusu those times the komu chain I saw the comfort by chi. Okotina Joy News catch the Ghana for say that girl needs to be investigated and what a year her outset declaration the document yanko from Branian Shedie or declare and send you be the minister. Asla Owusu ya yenya mami ai yenya LGBT mami. Asema Okotina Joy News kan no. Now yeti ha ena eye Madam Cecilia Dapaah asem no dey dangerous room no ene na be chechiri mu akire no. But before I start asem no be say do two team say the omo kan radio so nyina no omboa Cecilia Dapaah ewi oyekromfo. Cecilia Dapaah no over close to $10 million wo fie. Tie me. Cecilia Dapaah oyekromfo omra America me twen no. Na Cecilia Dapaah over $10 million egu fie a na egu adaka mu. Memu ntie obi a o omoboa. Now assembly started saying ye de Cecilia Dapaah ache the house help adentra ni maid for no ana ni maid no ewia ni sika. Reporter ebeda wa ye nyina ye kan ye no. Report ni kire pefe say Cecilia Dapaah na esim jenjenjenje akọ police station akọ kache police for say onu angasa ni house help ewia no. Cecilia Dapaah kono ni kunu ne koye ne atie na be kache say Cecilia Dapaah kunu oye onimde oye intelligent oye architect just osua de ye. He is a learned gentleman, so you expect a learned gentleman and you see a learned woman or a minister say omuko police station akotro reporter, they know what they are writing. Unless you people making the argument say Cecilia Dapaah some no kind of police station first one no na enye ntro na enye no kre na attorney general say mo na mabeka che say Cecilia Dapaah kunu a architect, renowned architect, meaning he can read and write and understand what he's writing. Na you see a current minister. So for them to walk to the police station to say yebeji krata atro yenyoma ayira, they know what they are writing. And then adia say unya lawyer onim nyansa na or cross examine Cecilia Dapaah obebusa Cecilia Dapaah de kunu say you guys are learned And I don't think that you guys would write things you don't understand. And I don't think you guys will walk from your house and go report to the police without knowing what you are reporting on. Cecilia Dapaah and 𝐏𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐞 are matured individuals. And for them to walk to the police station to tell the police, they say, yeah, $800,000 plus this amounting to close to over 1.5 million, then they were sure of what they were telling the police. Because me Tiana Mr. Cecilia Dapaah 𝐏𝐿𝐴 unimadia sa. They don't mean Cecilia Dapaah, at least politics inti. And on so unimadia, wako university inti. There's no way Cecilia Dapaah and then the police and I said there's no way somebody can write something for them to say you misquote me or what I told you to write you didn't write. I know every police statement biano one hour. I am making this very simple for you listening to me, for you to understand. Says Cecilia Dapaah Attorney General blackface Godfred Dame. Instructions from Ekufuado. They want to limit Kronua Cecilia Dapaah. That is all that they are trying to do. So when you listen to the Attorney General and any statement or they are trying to take the chunk of the money and make it look like a sika yenim nipa eyenedia. And into mo smart Paul Adomochri. Obe Jimmy who TV swa in the name say, and I say with the idea say, or my Ghana for any idea we say sikana ne kesi ane Cecilia Dapaah. Now, moving forward, Cecilia Dapaah who say we are the sika no pono nim se the sika era until some copy in Kwarano say omuwia millions from her room. And when you look at the first police report now, they stated emphatically what was missing from their house. It is not the say Cecilia Dapaah Onko Skuda, Nikunko Skuda, they don't know what they are writing about. Uni suit 3, I don't know write Ucho suit 3. You know you have 3 suits, Ira. Uni so jewelry, Ira. 800,000 plus other monies amounting to $1.5 million and over. You know, says Cecilia Dapaah. Now, what is happening in the say? Cecilia Dapaah from the Bayano, the office of the special prosecutor decided to investigate after the police have done their investigation. Now, the question I want to ask the special prosecutor and say, it's been 2 weeks and over. Let's say the special prosecutor is no more in charge of this investigations. Now, when he went to Cecilia Dapaah's house for the past 2.5 weeks, what did he disclose? What did he see? What did they disclose to him through his investigations? What did he come by? Because the special prosecutor, whether he is in charge today or not, when he went there, he should at the end of the day write a report. Now, shockingly, the special prosecutor went to Cecilia Dapaah's house, stepped out, told us he has gone there to conduct investigations, but he has refused to release whatever he saw when he went there to investigate. That is one thing. Now, the Attorney General, shockingly, Cecilia Dapaah over $10 million, almost $2 million. No? Suddenly, the Attorney General comes out. Godfred Dame abekache Ghana for say, case no, waji case no, or no necessary case no or so. Remember, now they are trying to twist the matter. So, we see Attorney General statement and any advisor or the Ghana police or say 200,000 a day. Omuni say Cecilia Dapaah. 300,000 euros so I so many say omuni nipa ye ne dia na 800,000 a day omuni nipa ye ne dia. The question to the Attorney General is, when did the Attorney General conduct an investigation to come to that conclusion say only emphatically say 800,000 no ene dia kana enye Cecilia Dapaah? Because the Attorney General should conduct an investigation to get to a conclusion to be able to tell Ghanaians say 800 in Cecilia there. So Attorney General catch a police cross it means say the Attorney General has been able to investigate to that point to know for sure that the $800,000 no and Cecilia Dapaah. The Attorney General needs to tell us how he was able to come to that conclusion to realize say 200,000 there Cecilia there. He needs to prove to us how the 200,000 became Cecilia's. Only say prove it 300,000 euros, no, how it became Cecilia's. But about 800,000 there, it is not Cecilia's. We want the Attorney General to come out and tell us how he came by that conclusion. Now, what they are trying to do now, and I say, almost start to use a year Paul Ademotre, no. On say Paul Ademotre begina TV, no. All that he was trying to do, and say, we didn't 𝐒𝐿𝐴 sika e was Cecilia Dapaah. It's a fact. And no catch Cecilia Dapaah say, President say membra, me na maye the last Ramos Amaka. En kwasi asema MPP ye nyina me na me pese me defend. Enti yesi membra kan bibi kire me na me nko da Ghana for say undi bone. In the first place, a day na Cecilia Dapaah resign here as a minister. If somebody genuinely steals my money, why should I resign? If the money genuinely belongs to me, whether it is controversial or not, if I legitimately own that money, why should I resign when the money is mine? I don't care how it's going to distract the government because it is my legitimate money. Until you cannot tell me, say, because Abambi ever feel say their popularity is dwindling, no, I should resign. Just that, so that if Cecilia Dapaah the money legitimately, why would she resign? Cecilia Dapaah nimse sikano enye legitimate money. Eye krono sika. Eye Bank of Ghana sika e chichema omono over $10 million no ne die no emuna ye wie bi efrim. Now say uko back now we steady eye ensema omo kanyina because Cecilia na Attorney General say ya amendment in the case. Na amendment ni mu no yakase ya amendment a asema obekaye no omasa asesem. That means say in some Cecilia Dapaah bekaye no sika na o se ayira no as we speak today no o se nyoma bebria na e wa bontina enye no kre. Inti people were rather saying say Cecilia 800,000 and the area but enye Cecilia dia. It is Attorney General's word against Cecilia Dapaah's word, and I say Attorney General's word against Special Prosecutor's word. How did he come to that conclusion? Say, Sikana 800,000 and yet Cecilia Dapaah. If you have been able to come to a conclusion, say 200,000 is Cecilia Dapaah, 300,000 euros in India. How were you able to come to that conclusion? Say 800,000 in India. Now, what makes this case so murky and so disgusting? And I say, so who steady assembling na? There's one thing that nobody is asking. In all this, Nipana Omoko Ria Cecilia Dapaah sika no, have they denied, they said they did not steal more than $1.5 million? There is nowhere in any document actually say in Kofona we suspect no abayona no yes Cecilia Dapaah made no. There's nowhere in their document or in their statement Omaka say they did not steal more than what Cecilia Dapaah is saying that has not been stolen. Because me na me ye we know. Me na minim sika me wiaye. Me na minim dia me di sika ne ye. Now, wo na wo sika ne ya wo dia no. Wakọ abonte ko ka kire nkofo say, "Sa sika na ayira no, enyira ye na enye sa." The question here is, the people we are saying are a suspect. Aketesia no mu wia sika no. Let's ask them, have they denied, they said they did not steal that $1.5 million and that they stole only $200,000 and 300,000 euros. The suspect has not denied, they said, $800,000. The suspect has not denied, say they got more money than what was even reported. Suspect didn't deny it. So why is the complainant saying, say, me na mesi me wia, also say we wia? At the end of the day, also complainant no, when I call police station case me wia saske and me jitumu. Senka suspect na njantuma. I don't think the matter would have reached where it reached, because in the first place, no, the suspect might have accepted, say we wia skabi, and it will be a suspect, and it na police to be called mufie, eko investigate omo, and it to be investigations, eko baby omo di sikana akwachi she nyoma omo invest in. If the suspect had not admitted, that means the suspect they have admitted this amount of money. So why is the Attorney General telling us to say that amount of money now? He is not even sure say it belongs to Cecilia Dapaah. Nipo ko wia say mina mi wia sa sika no. Na the man asem ne ya pa nyina wo mun say. Today I heard two people speak on this Cecilia Dapaah asem no. And let's listen to them. Listen to 𝐒𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐞. He was on TV3. He spoke on this matter.
You see, there is a way to catch a thief. What the Attorney General is not putting out there is that Cecilia Dapaah did not complain in June or July.
Then when did she complain?
October 2022.
To the police?
Yes. When the complaint came in October 2022, Patience Botry, the young lady was barely 17 years. And knowing that she's a minor, she was taken to the juvenile court and charged with unlawful entry. This record is a public record. So why would the Attorney General be lying to us? What will inform the AG to lie to us? Cecilia Dapaah never complained on the 1st of July. She complained in October 2022, by which time Patience Botry was barely 17 years. And because she was a minor, they put her before the juvenile court and charged her for unlawful entry. And the lawyers who represented her, I know them.
And
I know them.
And they say?
That's Martin Kpebu's junior. Did you listen to Martin Kpebu?
I have listened to him consistently over the
on Saturday.
I did.
Because they were the people who represented the young girl. And this was in October last year. So how can the AG be saying that the first complaint from Cecilia Dapaah was on the 1st of July 2023? That's barefaced lies. And they are doing all this in order to reach the conclusion already reached by Mr. Akufo-Addo.
Which is what?
That at the end of the day, the woman's
integrity
will be established.
Okay.
And you see, painfully, this charge, if you read the 7th July charge sheet, look at the heading. I want us to expose these liars that they are abusing their office, that the mandate of these people given to them, they have no respect for it. Look at the charge sheet. See, amended charge sheet. Correct.
Correct.
Where is the original charge sheet? When we say something is amended, it means that there's an original. Correct.
Correct.
The original charge sheet, where is it?
How is the material to the discussion?
It's material because it will show you the timelines, and the timelines will not be.
That's it. It is material because a show timelines, you know. And then Busa say, how did the Attorney General come to that conclusion? Say $800,000, you know. Cecilia Dapaah dia. How did he come to that conclusion? From what this lawyer 𝐒𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐞 is saying, he is trying to come to that conclusion. Say, if there was an initial and also original complaint made the Attorney General should show that to us. Anytime I'm starting mistake when I say, yes, Cecilia Dapaah, they cannot walk to the police station and give false information. Now, if the Attorney General wants to make a point here, he should bring the first statement. Now, if I compare second statement, which is the amended one. Now, if a young disparities, you know, when even the case, basically, when the amendment was done. Now, what is happening here? And they say the government, they are hiding behind Godfrey Dame to try and, at the end of the day, clear Cecilia Dapaah of this crime. This is crazy crime. We are talking money echo close to $10 million. Say Nkorano can't see come fire 1.5. No, it is a joke. There is more information about $2.5 million cash. Cecilia didn't talk about it. $10 million. Now, do you know what is so interesting? When I would tell lawyer, no, also time assembly see na Cecilia Dapaah de Akorano call police station. No, you charge Akorano say or a minor. That means now either Akorano of 15 or 16 years. Don't do 18 years. Into you to me charging the same penny, right? Now, this is the same Cecilia Dapaah. This is the same MPP. This is the same free SHS4. That means Cecilia Dapaah was living with a girl and Kobetuma senior high school. Obetumi taking advantage of a Akufo-Addo's free SHS. Cecilia Dapaah was living with a girl who was supposed to be in school, no, or the Sakurana and he made. Cecilia Dapaah will come and sit on TV. She will mount a political platforms and say, because of MPP, free SHS no obi ekobi, and so na akwara toto fee with the 15, 16 years. At the fee is in the dross. Cecilia Dapaah is a former gender minister. And an current sanitation minister, meaning she knows how important it is for a girl child to be in school. But that time na akorari so we Cecilia Dapaah no na our school going age 15 16 and so JSS na oti Cecilia Dapaah nchen ehuru Cecilia Dapaah dross. Na Cecilia Dapaah TV so catch Ghana for say MPP are buying the free SHS aba e mana so nkwara nyina so. And that is what they do. They don't practice what they preach. She used to be an acting gender minister and Sunny Edinburgh substantive sanitation minister. So you could see clearly say this MPP, you know, whatever they say outside is totally different. I wanted to draw your attention to that. Some person who say NPP for we and your papa. It was the same Cecilia Dapaah na catch a polar much so can't say. Or no aid or anything if you watch man was a driver. Echo repeat obi and on yim nipano. Na nipano on yim no na or your 16 or 17 years. And as Cecilia Dapaah to nipano for say. The driver is uncle for by you and no bawa. This is a former gender minister and current sanitation minister. Into two things here. Cecilia Dapaah driver ko repeat obi and then the me no. Cecilia Dapaah ko carry sa fanibra be ma bawa. So time no for you know na Cecilia Dapaah a gender minister acting. That man who committed that crime, Cecilia Dapaah ebeji akwara na onyem ne betera ne nchen se ombehuru ne dross man no. Cecilia Dapaah senko penyine onim nyansa ankoso ode sa brante no and driver na police. Because clearly from what their spokesperson Paul Ademoche kachire no na Cecilia Dapaah kachire akwara kachire Cecilia Dapaah say akwara no oye underage no do 18 and okonyem no. That means Cecilia Dapaah was condoning crime. Oni ni kunu ni mienu nyina they are supposed to be facing trial. Because our driver we penyi to akọ rape akwara na wa di akwara na betena wo fie so o meyo abawa eno ensiwa eno wasako for another one ana ono so 15 16 eno be wi osika. So Cecilia Dapaah basically obia oni abadaye. The MPP as a political party the omo kind of stage so no totally different. I'm telling you MPP for you know social media, Facebook, ministers, MPs, eka free SHS obia wo 14 15 year old girl or abawa with ye. I'm telling you. They don't care about the free SHS if you say omumba nkobi. They use it to make you think so many nyansa omodwene. They don't care. Cecilia Dapaah e dey akora 12 13 14 15 years to the fear in the dross. Until akwara we and the sikano and Cecilia Dapaah who said no, where they also taking action. Now let's go to the substance itself. Now what they want to create and then na omama Paul Ademoche be start here no. Now so what's the amendment edien ni nyina no ombeso mo ti ase say sa sika $800,000 no ona ni ni ho. Because from the beginning almost started catching them say the person $800,000 yen dia no Cecilia Dapaah nua bema no ti Kumasi ena sa Cecilia Dapaah nua bema no odi sika no command yen odi command maame ena Cecilia Dapaah nua bema na originally sika na yen owuye ena Cecilia Dapaah maame so ba bewu no otam sa sika na egubotom deche adaka mu Paul Ademoche anim adaka no odi adaka ne bre Cecilia Dapaah ena ka se mesumi bewu ena onu so wuye ena nti sika na bedi Cecilia Dapaah ebusuani mu nyina Cecilia nkwa na keep sika. Cecilia Dapaah nua bema no wuye no oni yire oni ba oni obia oni bank account into tam cash na de Cecilia Dapaah maame. Cecilia Dapaah maame so bewu no Cecilia Dapaah nkwa ne ba owo wiase obetuma ka asema kire no into tam sika ni nyina de Cecilia Dapaah and onu so wuye. Inti as we speak no the Attorney General is going to try and tell you guys to say the police should try and find the owner of the money. The question here is the owner of the money from what they are telling us today, no, and they say the owner is Cecilia Dapaah's brother who is bereaved, who is dead. Nema ameso anasikana onu so wu. Now, Oma Cecilia Dapaah busuani bi file case say almost so a demand sika no. If you say omu sika. So technically what they are trying to let you know is say Cecilia Dapaah ni nuanum bi ene ni nuana yerenom ni nuanum bi e demand sika no. That means sika no Cecilia Dapaah dia. So technically no, the case is going to end up baby say sika na ye hwehwe no sa na Cecilia dia Cecilia ni nuana wo no ne yere dia. Anase ni nuana wo no ni nua bi dia. Inti technically Cecilia they only $800,000 bi ada. And that is the conclusion they want to end. Dear Godfrey Dame ye nyina no, all the things is right in nyina no. At the end of the day, they will do some subtraction na 800,000 they will say it does not belong to Cecilia Dapaah. Na mum omo aye omo dia no krampo are demanding for the money in court, meaning the money did not belong to Cecilia Dapaah. Now the question here is, Cecilia Dapaah, what is stopping her from coming out to tell Ghanaians say time our minister no, she declared her her assets. Now do you know what is dangerous? I can tell you on authority say unim say obia beje government positioner now declare assets are nipa okipi ana office ekipi ade na the Attorney General's office. Now I can tell you on authority that the Attorney General's office almost modify Cecilia Dapaah declaration asset declaration form. Now if anybody tries to contest say Cecilia Dapaah publish any assets what they are going to show you, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked to know that Cecilia Dapaah no over $400,000 one home and son obey minister. Because the asset declaration forms instead say a public, because when you read the PNDC law, the asset declaration form would declare assets is supposed to be a public document, but the Attorney General has sealed it. Now as I speak to you now, they are modifying Cecilia Dapaah's asset declaration form. What is going to happen is say police report they are going to try and make sure say Cecilia Dapaah declare nyoma no sa nyoma ni nyina no over 2 times into this is nothing, because at the end of the day the conversation will be that Cecilia Dapaah be minister no, did she declare her assets? How did she come by $800,000? How did she come by $2 million? How did she come by $10 million? How did she come by all this huge amount, all this material stuff? The Attorney General who is defending Cecilia Dapaah, the Attorney General who is working for the president, the Attorney General who is trying to trace the case is the person in charge of asset declaration form. Into the Attorney General, as I speak to you, they are changing some things in Cecilia Dapaah's forms. The assets will declare because what they are going to do is say they are going to tell one MPP person to petition the Attorney General. Very soon, you will see that somebody will petition the Attorney General that they want to see Cecilia Dapaah's the asset before she took office. They are going to make their own people petition the Attorney General or petition Shraj. In the weeks to come, Uber will say Uber petition Shraj and as Attorney General, and they will release that document to the public. And when you see that document, BBA ni Cecilia Dapaah a charge sheet rimwa a expensive chain Cecilia Dapaah assets or declare and sign obey minister. And this is how Godfrey Dame wants to finish the case. Because it is simple. Sa 442 formation na omudi biye Charlotte say no. Omuma MPP for through Sufaye Kufu. Cultural petition say omumpe Charlotte say no. That is the same thing they are going to do. They are going to make their own people write a petition to Attorney General and Shraj that they demand that they release Cecilia Dapaah's their declaration asset declaration forms. And they will not hesitate. Remember, 2 years ago, the judges in Ghana's courts, majority of them did not declare their asset. It took Shraj over a year to tell us who declared and who did not. Even when they came out to tell us what they declared, they used just one article to define every single judge. They didn't want to, at the end of the day, investigate every judge individually. So they lumped them up and then they said this article defends all the judges. And this is what Godfrey Dame is going to do. They are in the process. They have even finished updating Cecilia Dapaah's asset declaration forms. Enti for petition and when it comes out, then they will tell you it is Cecilia Dapaah na mudina temono sika kra na owo ansa no be minister no na change dia mo keka no. Now when they do that, they want to create that impression say Cecilia Dapaah is not a thief. But we are Ghana ni and I will share me. So we study sequence be assembly call when you follow it critically, you will see clearly said this is a government that is willing to protect every criminal. Every criminal from this government. From day one, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo's acceptance letter or Dima Cecilia Dapaah or Claire Cecilia Dapaah, even before Cecilia Dapaah received that letter, say she is no more the minister. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo says Cecilia Dapaah is not guilty. And we know what Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has done to the Attorney General's office now. That is why Gloria Kufu left, because he knows the filth happening there. No, she was not going to put her she was not going to put her credibility on the line. Somebody's correcting me that the asset declaration form, it is being kept by the Auditor General. Now remember, if even it's being kept by the Auditor General, the Attorney General still has access to the declaration form than anybody else. The Attorney General can still work on that declaration form. Who is the Auditor General? Who appointed the Auditor General? When was the last time you heard the Auditor General even speak? Were we not here when the Jubilee House orchestrated with the Attorney General and all the government agencies, some of them, to kick out the Melivo? So changing document and as a statement in Cecilia Dapaah's asset declaration form, no? How difficult is that? How difficult is that for Godfred Dame? This is the Godfred Dame who has denied 30,000 people from voting and electing a member of parliament. This is the same Godfred Dame who today sees nothing wrong with the Ghana Police Service and the military shooting Ghanaians during elections. This is the same Godfred Dame, militiamen invaded parliament, he has ignored it. This is the same Godfred Dame who is doing everything possible to clear ABAJ, that criminal. This is the same Godfred Dame who has ignored NAM1. This is the same Godfred Dame who has chosen to go after Ghanaians who have nothing and allow criminals to walk on the corridors of Jubilee House. What can't Godfred Dame do? So the asset declaration, for whether it's with him or it's with the Auditor General, it is still a document he will manipulate to suit himself to make sure Cecilia is cleared from a crime. But the person may catch a gun of one say, Cecilia Dapaah I can tell you, now Cecilia Dapaah fee on over $10 million in the war. In Korano, they had physical $2.5 million. What they are describing, why haven't they spoken about? Remember, Omokase Sikano, Omu here for a long time. It means they have been taking the money before. And from our sources, over $2.5 million cash in Korawe Tamaye. Cecilia has refused to speak on it. Inti Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Abanwe Bawumia Alan Cash this is what they want to do. Remember, when any of these idiots win, so be president, they are going to work with the same Godfred Dame. They are going to work with the same criminals, Cecilia Dapaah. Anybody who wins in NPP as a flag bearer, near the Jimmy Kotumana, they are going to work with these same thieves. So why would you vote for a government? Today Ghana Krampono ye pay $1 million, 1 billion yenya minister over $10 million wofia ye over $2 million cash e chire 1.2 ni ade ade no omaya adwen say no ano no. There is more. Why is the office of the special prosecutor quiet? Why is he not releasing what he wants to see there? So we won't be on the country. If the special prosecutor did not see anything in Cecilia Dapaah's house, what is stopping him from releasing a statement? We know he's no more interested in the case. But at least he did an investigation. He did conduct an investigation. We need to know the outcome of that investigation because we paid for that investigations. Every single move the special prosecutor makes, we pay. It is all we paid. He needs to tell the taxpayer what he found there. Ghana for Mama Mankwasi for win Adam. Cecilia Dapaah MPP Minister Biani Ghana or less than $10 million cash only fee. Samuel Abujinapo Nikrom Srim $10 million Politank Munigu and amazing for me adwuma edi adwane yehu ba ko ayera. There are various MPs, MPP MPs. They have the money. Bank of Ghana catch us the 68 billion. That is the money. 40 billion. That's kind of chair, and then on the campaign. In the MPP now, Kennedy money they all have the same. They don't talk about it because the penalty is Kennedy, Alan, anyone has spoken against Cecilia Dapaah slow because they are all in the same soup. So why should we? We are asking for change. We want things to be better. We want accountability. We want this country to move forward. Why would you hand over the country to the same criminals again? Say MPP ba power. One am MPP for ejuma. And MPP for MPP for ejuma. Dear na chira sen kofo different from Kufuor. Have they been able to condemn anything Kufuor has done? No. All that they are doing, they are mimicking and trying to make it look like say they care. Oh, I buy way there. Have you seen any of them come out to speak on the things we want to hear? They can't because they all were part of it. The killings, the smuggling, the corruption. Kennedy Kahon, Alan Kahon, Bawumia Kahon, Efriye Kahon, 𝐏𝐥𝐿 2020 no United States and we endorse Kufuor. No him say Kufuor yewi. No per contract. These are chronic liars. Bien wo nim nyanso beto di Ghana so because all the power ma Bawumia, all the power ma Godfrey Dame, all the power ma Gabi, all the power ma Kufuor, all the tumi ma Kennedy Dapaah ko 400 na adwuma ono abon okenkan on tiase enkwasiafo we na basa ko frefro mo munyina mo nsambra. That is it. All the tumi e ma 𝐏𝐿 Dapaah why na okofo mo Godfrey Dame na okofre no Gabi na okofre no we mu a why na okofre no. So you need to understand you cannot give power to the MPP again. When you give power to the MPP, then the air cost no opposite 10 times. We will come and talk about 𝐏𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬. You for document about Bawumia on sign. You want to tell me Bawumia can lead Ghana? Kennedy Dapaah, hundreds and millions of dollars are waji through contract, illegal contract or Ghana or the Sikase Tema or the Dinkwasi no one of the man and MPP more. How much did he pay to the MPP? These are criminals. They are all criminals. They move away from the most sensitive issues and they speak on the most jovial ones. Oh, MPP, IMF, but the critical ones, they stay away because they loved it when Ghana Police Service, the military phobia, about Ghana for to election 2020. I don't know Kennedy Dapaah can watch them. Why is he not insisting that those policemen should be brought out? Because he condoned it. Because he sits on TV and tell Ghanaians, say, this is a journalist, take him out. And he was taken out. That is what they do. That is what they are. They destroy, they kill, they destroy people. They destroy lives. They are making you think they are going to bring some different people from some different planet to work with. They are going to work with these same killers, these same corrupt criminals. They are going to work with these same murderers. These are the same people. They came from one mother, that is the NPP. The NPP gave birth to these criminals. There is nothing new under the sun. The same people. They are just going to change their names. These people are dangerous. They come in with different names. They come in with different character. They are the same demons. They are the same killers. They are the same vampires. The NPP will change its name, change its slogan, but they are the same devils who kill and laugh about it. Media, I keep telling people I'm just a messenger who is ready and willing. I'll let you know the truth. I'll break it down for you to understand. It is up to you to understand. When you give power to murderers, they will murder you. And that is what I've been telling you since I started this show. My name is 𝐏𝐿 𝐶𝐚𝐬𝐿. I'll be back to finish today's show.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with. And they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us.
You are still live on Loud Talents TV. My name is 𝐏𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐞 𝐋𝐈𝐊𝐿. I'll pick calls and end today's show. My mention send me to my for 1 or 2 people. I think one of the phones freezy into Freba Koda Musanka on Sabit Maka, the other one now. You didn't come out quick. Okay. Which one? Okay. My mention sent me a bit to my for. Hello, caller.
Hello, welcome back.
Good evening, sir. Thank you very much.
We miss you. Yeah. Did they retrieve any of the money from the suspect, the dollar bill? Can they check the date on the dollar bill? If it is a current bill, or because if they are saying the money belongs to the dead, we should know when the date on the dollar bill, if they have any, if we could check that one.
Thank you very much, sir. It's a good question. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello,
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Tila. Ni do Tila ifat ya fu for pa.
Maba.
MPP. Ni easy obi aka nwa service de beno baba mi kra se sia kwa na mi kwantre nkofu bebre kra se wo ba line so. MPP for criminals o ba se o mekum o mo wia o ma sei. Ska o hudu bebre am sini na agana for bre. Na mo wa se nkofu bebre am defend MPP na no. Tankofu ni na kontro a comforter na do a comforter defend so okofi ahwe ni ho.
Thank you very much. Ochina, the NDC will be having a press conference on a year Bank of Ghana annual report na tomorrow the communications director of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, and the NDC will be breaking it down very well for Ghanaians to also understand the ABC. Into a moment of truth. It's going to happen a year. Okay, in fact, it's the minority leader, Aunana Ebekasa Atoforsen, will be speaking on a Bank of Ghana. A annual report almost says 68 billion. Sika omono ashe eka omabono. The minority in parliament tomorrow. The minority leader will be having this press conference at NDC headquarters 2 p.m. NDC headquarters at Abraka 2 p.m. Ochna into tomorrow. No, you can watch this press conference live on Loud Talents TV 2 p.m. Ghana time. On Ebeka press conference. This is the only platform on our channel. We run 24/7 in Ghana. Into 2 p.m. Ochna 2 p.m. Ghana time. No, you can watch the presser Loud Talents TV so live to hear from the minority leader Atoforsen on what they also have to say on a Bank of Ghana for annual reporter. And then I think say and I believe say the NDC, the minority leader who is more knowledgeable when it comes to a year economics near I don't know, he will delve deeper to break it down more for you to have a clear understanding of a year dreamer Akwaso or Bank of Ghana. So tomorrow you should not miss this on Loud Talents TV or 2 p.m. a year Ghana time. 2 p.m. Ghana time. That is 10 a.m. US time. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Kevin.
Bajo Kasamitio.
I'm referring to Nana Ado Chere, cannot make us swama and unclear issue come out dinner. Because on to why she of them every day. And we saw what could break Ubeba. It's in the web idea, as we find in Chian family. Or the way Chala Namekano, the financial child. What would you walk again in Anna? Person as young for no cry, defend you. I know more. Only below.
I'm not defending.
Omono Musaka Funu Krakaho. That's the most painful aspect. Because Nipa Bakwa, you first pay the minister. Other players who just get a focus with your bank. No, and I'm sure good banks mean to which also would be alcohol. Only the scanner to you. Now, say, there, I bet that one thing. Now, you will be dimpo crown. That was the radio should defend it. In fact, sometimes with Tiana, my Cosro,
But I say also tell na come across. Hello caller.
Hello, Tokyo Bawala.
Auntie Monica, good evening.
Good evening. Hey, I'm a Ghana you.
Maba.
Actually, I bet one of Bakasa will send the news now.
The news now,
Toby, where's I'm a imagine the news so. Toby, me put be said there. The ma I him funda sisia why a quiet no. Say government change our Bakasa. On your question, I me put them.
It's a good one though. But it's because at that point in the day, son, Albeka, Senyoma Kobonia, are you going to speak? What are you going to say? You know? Yeah, it's a good question.
Yeah, on your question, I'm pedal.
But I'll say, Auntie Monica, thank you very much. All right. Okay, that was Auntie Monica. Hello, caller.
My big brother Kevin Taylor.
Oh, I appear to who said my team, I'm post to page in so. Majority of the people I'm share my Facebook page with all due respect page. I am just saying I'm a running page, you know. I have an editorial team, but I miss me who say, oh, Tonyo Mopa, na girl be texting me. Also, appear you know to dear Jack, appear new voice. But what Tonyo no, but not Otono. Na me need jise Otono. Girl, and I'm so I was oh, appear to one so I bear my pa, and I'm so a dear na who appear bema, and I'm so I catch no. And I'm so appear to any party on your bow makes him also a baby moi, and I'm so a baby moi. Yes, they do.
Oh, Charlie, never my big
man.
Oh, Charlie, Kevin, we should say I'm proud of. I'm proud of
them.
Once again, you're my welcome. What's semi phone? Didn't I semi phone? Kevin Taylor, nipa nim semi flow program nti ana Kevin Taylor baba da bay me nya adwuma wa nka many ba gipa.
Who dey CNN reporter? Dey cause was Ashanti regional the original report bre.
Na Kevin some doors nti giga bi na point na esa na bi afemu ada bi say nipa atwa no ene wo start a wo mba na TV ne ye no style na nipa ra ho bi say wiase nyina tadi twa bi say MPP fo na nkasa no omo de nsama begu nsama no soso emu ba ko a me call report no say onsan kan ya me ko twa Steven Amo constituency
mehu
Dr. Ana me boss wa Kevin Taylor reporter keko Kevin dey omakosi kwan na omoye kwan no.
That's it.
And the DM no kasa
good me say report no wona waka asem we me pese Ghana fo hu bibi ye beka eye Boache Jako ene eye Ameria asem no ye be deal wa ye beka ho asem ma ne nko ye beka eye Bugiri na Abu asem no ye be sa koso ye ba be chirechirim ye ma sa asem no so nko ye ja ho nyina ye ba be chirechirim ni nyina mo bi ansuru ye be chire ni nyina mo ye ja ba akokora ma no ama Ghana fo nyina hu de ko
Nana Akufo-Addo baba no so kwoti telephone call no e ba remfi kura telephone call no esu issue no ye powerful ya bo na sha enter ma na ne papa yi ni say
ye be chire nyina mu ye be gigem ye be bye bye
wasi dama mpanifo okrom a me kokan ya ode matwofo tata me pema akumi no o hine na wasi dama ba o me wa Ashanti region a kaka say me say opani jo ma ma contract ode matwofo tata me sama mpacho me yira kuruma and so me remfi
Mati. All right, Apia Stadium CNN reporter Ashanti region 24 nana I made a piao hello caller. You're just some 6 minutes to end the show. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes sir, good evening.
Big brother.
Yes sir.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Oh?
Go ahead, don't listen to the TV, just listen. Yeah, talk to me through the phone.
Okay. Yeah. In fact, this MPP people, I'm speaking from the voter region, and I am telling you, the way they were doing, those following them are drug addicts, all of them, doing everything possible. You see, even there's a funeral here yesterday, about 3 days ago. Come and see the way they were just throwing money. I can't believe it. Why Ghana is suffering. Very, very sad. Very sad.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your call. Hello, caller.
Hello, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
I'm
There's one announcement, man.
Police are I Cecilia Dapaah action akọkọ na bi na ode bibi ahye wanum ena me say ama menyi mi so me front tem na menyi me de
ai sikari nyina Paul ho sikari nyina Paul ho Cecilia Dapaah sikari nyina Paul mo go Paul onkoje Paul de gute sikari nyina
wan kwa Paul abua prakoba
bye bye mo pentokwa mo de bye bye mo pentokwa mo de je say ya kra mi kra nam je say be kra asemo hello caller.
Hello, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Kofi Nim Kasa Free Connecticut.
All right.
Your friend is saying, to be honest, okay, Mona attends Cecilia and Preco air bot tie or Ghana.
Na impreko botai.
Botai. Sa Aquana, why say a Atabia Yakano, so my opinion. And this Cecilia Dapaah. But what by any agent, hopa the person can say Ghana, you see Ghana for the do any act.
Yeah.
Unless someone more medicate, and no more echo, but you blame on for.
Thank you very much. All right, thank you. Yo, how many minutes? Yes, you were 5 minutes to 12, right? In Ghana. I know send them to Tumika. Ochina, you try and finish by 11. Yeah. When you send them in Makumrika, we had a very rough start today. Yeah, it was a very rough start, but we kept our composure. And it's not bad. Hello, caller.
Hello, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Kevin Boko there.
Give you a boko.
Chiwanu ni mi frefre afran place chiwanu ni.
TV ni jina so. TV ni jina so. TV ni jina so.
Mi frefre ma bro. Enjira enwoso.
Nice one.
Okay, who ye juma papa. Ati Kevin. Mi frefre wa wonim de yebeye.
Mitio.
Onu say ye tuaba no de bia. No mu di omo match kro no computer no mu di wi ya abato no enti Kavi wo di wuta abrosire wo enti e dey na obe ya abo ye se na be ya sa computer kese yesu na be nya bi
mama ka bi nchiro se NPP ni bia ka kire wo se omo di computer na win elections na omo boa dia wo se NDC for ye is simple 80% of the job is manual checking your papers at the location. The moye no asin north no computer no it does not play any major role in election collation. It doesn't. One day I'll take my time and explain to you. Just when you do your job at the polling station, when you get the correct figures and you take your time and tally your numbers, now we could have the hard copy. You win the elections. About 70% of the job should be at the polling station. Forget about that. MPP computer, not computer anyway. It crashed. You get what I mean? Computer, you'll be say a icing on the cake. And when they be count, now they say what complete. But a human ankasa making sure at the polling station, your polling agents the figures are recorded rightly. The right figures are recorded. Pink sheets are the right pink sheet compared to all the pink sheets there. And son of Bifu and Sana will make sure say na kuma Tony him ne bosses ni nyina we said this is right. So when your polling station no figures no right when we need elections no. Forget about Obi computer wako no America. Share because the all paper no so computer no so. The moment you cannot prove a hard copy polling station document no say you had this number no the computer they to be change the gate computer to me manufacture number but paper wo honor say assign no be akuta the same copy o change so the NDC should concentrate at the polling station and no na mo ye no wo asin north no you were vigilant at the polling station 70% of the job is at the polling station. When you do the job at the polling station you win the elections and it's a fact. Yeah, me too. Yeah.
When you must vigilante for no more a poor boy, a G, your vote is
Who to oh? Who to? Who to? Who to? Who to? Who near be to? Who was the kind? Who was the kind? Mamenchero idea. Mamenka semichero. Mamenka semichero hande. Mamenka semi wa hanchero wonde. Mamenka semichero. Ghana mbra enche police ni bia. Soja ni bia ema Ghana ni bia ho. Ghana mbra ma police ni bia na soja ni bia ho kwan. Se ontam tuo enhwe Ghana ni a sebi onu so nkutatu a oto abono. The only time a police ni ebetuma twituo ato abo wo Ghana ni no na wo sa Ghana ni wa twituo a wo de athreaten se oto abo no enti se moye Ghana fo makoto aba na mo baby na police ni ana soja ni bi aba na also bebo mo ho ban na otwituo bo nipa ba kutu a mo twitwa ne nhye no ho a sa police no no mo twitwa no mo papetro ngunu so na mo nhye no enye na dwuma no no oba se obebo mo ho ban. The only time obetuma ye sa ne se obi atwetuo a what threaten the life of person okuno ani de obetuma defend no ho but sansi ye say Techiman South ye hu so bia kutetu a wato ado abo police ato abo soja na se police dali tuo live bullet and the boga ni a so okuta se kan na okuta bibia o so to be defend ho constitution kura ma ho kwan
Bamuna Tony na wo muche wonti Kevi boy na atoni na fi nya bi o Kevi
Mati all right hello caller hello
Yeah, quickly. When power changes, yeah, Akufo-Addo, Cecilia, Dapaah, we need to take them to the cathedral site and give them shovel to fill up the pit they've dug for us.
Money, Mati. Wo, ni manson. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, Kevin, good evening.
Good evening.
Nice to say.
Bibi Aboko.
I say you are welcome back.
Thank you.
You remember I'm number for money because no check check na you rain in our church the money na no yes that was and so me who say nti kra Ghana for you know still
Hey Juma, you will get there. You will get there.
We are still into me omunji ade na me work na omunji into me especially na janto propaganda bi o ye no anope wakofre akofa MPP na beton to be send questions full of questions but kind of try segment assembly o kai
also there
photo MPP o betona ho no njo segment no NDC fa anya ni omumbu no omoye no omo so omo ton nta omo kra na omo ton ansa na omo de omo baaye ensem na janto tra wo mbisa the question say Oton the ben will release is a waton. We miss a follow up questions na akwane so ye alanjamantini obeje waka kan some alanjamantin
you say ahwede keke don kodi otibi di ahwede boss forgetting go for
we say no say omo bi say na say obi bi say question na say obi ma text message bi say na say ahwede keke no ko wonduma ndia o say your friends are Mahama and Yashi at the Pubi or about between Dria, I should the account. Indeed, sir, I should there would do
Enya Alan the catches Obi a commander nano, Nana Muchia Obiano. Time or Castle be a commander nano, Commander Sugar Faction 2022, no, and a 2020, no, na a Muchia and I said, nay, factory this war.
In Nina nature, no, and I can't to me and be some question, full up question, but no John Macquano kind, Nina. It sounds on Mungina, no, I know say, or KBT on, I just on KBT or more. Adam make Freddy be said, and I can't to us, and Nana into Akufo-Addo ni Beijing or your Koya. Mrewa bona sante mo wanka say, we want our block henny, and I can't to say, Akufo-Addo say ni bufu. Say on here I'm sorry or say ni bufu na ne bayi die ni be say na ka cham so anya na asem
o say anya na asem o
so anya na asem
na jantua na jantua o na jantua o da Kumasi na obo jandam mebo a o na jantua wo suru MPP for
anya so kito say anya na asem so ba ka say Akufo-Addo na Akufo-Addo ye tunu for ante
Ah, and they say they took for the 40. Nana Janto abo jandam wo Kumasi o. Mini paro no. Otina mesi pressure man rough. Wo de nya abotre. Oti shire fe mo no abo jandam wo ho me boa. Osore ye papa kofo. But I say, osore oti Kumasi, wo Nana Janto, osore oti Kumasi ye papa kofo. Ye betena ha ma wo frɛ me ka kyerɛ me say, eye document na eye Ghana at 50 no, wo pesa won saka, and me director say document no, go and get it. Ebe si ne wan kan ho asem, oti Kumasi bo jandam. Wo Nana Janto, oti Kumasi bo jandam, wo MPP ne wo so, enti wontumi nka omanim. O sore na wo say an ye de, ye beka fearless de Nana Janto, jai de oye no, na me nipa no. Jai jandam no. All right, thank you very much for being part.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.